Okay, feet 3 feet wide. Okay. Take your right foot out. Left foot hands in. Okay. Inhale, arms to shoulder. Okay, put your left hand on the left leg, right arm a little bit higher, look at the hand. Bend your back leg, which is your left leg. Now keep looking at your right hand. As you inhale, straighten the leg, you reach up to the right hand, go over and down. So put the hand anywhere on the shin or ankle or knee, anywhere you can land. Now strong feet. Okay, keep your legs squeezing toward each other. Thighs strong. Lift your left arm up. Look at the hand. So keep your spine long, legs strong. Stay there. Okay, looks good. Okay, look down and come up. Okay, we change the sides. Okay, left foot down. Right foot standing, arms to shoulder. Put your right hand on the right leg, left arm a little bit higher. Look at the hand. Bend your back leg, which is your right leg. So from here, keep looking at your left hand. As you inhale, straighten the leg, go up, over, and down. Okay, so the hand goes somewhere on the shin or ankle, both legs strong. Open the chest to the ceiling. Lift your right arm up. Okay, keep looking to the hand, the strong legs. Stay there. Okay, look down. And come up. Okay, release. Okay, we do twisted triangle. So feet 3 feet wide. Okay, take your right foot down. Left foot hand well in. Bring your left foot, this foot, just a little bit towards the front long edge of the mat. Okay, hands on the hips. Square the hip. I'll do the same side as you. Okay, so square the hips. You face this wall. Put your right hand on your back. Left arm is in front of you. Okay. Now reach forward as far out as you can. Then come down. Now put the hand just inside or outside the foot on the floor. Just put the fingers. You may need to bend the knees. So bend the knees as much as you need to. Now make your spine long. Then take your chest to your right. So if you're in this hole, then turn your chest to the right. Look at the back wall. Okay. Lift your right arm up to look at the hand. Square the head. Okay, keep your spine long. Bend the knees if you need to. That's absolutely fine. Okay, look down and come up. Good. Okay, we do the other side. So take your left foot out. Right foot hand well in. So bring your right foot a little bit to the right, to the front. Hands on the hips, square the head. Okay, put your left hand on your back. Right arm in front of you. Okay, so keep squaring the hip. Reach forward as far out as you can. Then come down. Put the hand just inside or outside the foot. Feel free to bend the knees. Just put the fingers on the floor. So bend the knees as much as you need to. Make your spine long, long spine. Then take your chest to the back wall. So look at the same wall you looked. Lift your left arm up. Keep making your spine long. Keep your legs strong. Hey, look down and come up. Hey, very good.